Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is a plan with me in my PP weeks. I'm using this kit, the Fall Critters from Sweet Kawaii Design, and it is just such a beautiful kit. I just love the fall vibe colors of it, love the full boxes, I just love it. That's why I bought it. So this week again is another week where I don't have a whole lot going on. So I am just going to put a nice skeleton. Oops, not far enough over. If I do this right, I can get it and it goes straight across. But like I was saying, it's going to be just a basic skeleton week. So if you want to see how it actually turns out and what it looks like, make sure you follow my Instagram so that you can see that. Why is it not working today? That's weird. It's worked other weeks. And I don't feel like cutting it. So it's just going to be the way it is. I'm feeling lazy today. So I'm going to, I've been putting the last couple weeks on my sidebar here. I'm actually going to put it up here this time. I like having my weekend there. So yeah. And the only thing I have this week is that I have new releases. So make sure you check them out. There's going to be a New Year's Eve kit, which I think turned out really well. It's so cute. It's super girly. A lot of times people just go with like a theme of black. This one has like all the traditional colors, but it's also got the pink in it, because you know me, I love me some pink. So well, that is pretty awesome, and I'm very excited for it. Let's get these going. Oops. Okay, so let's do our sidebar real fast. She doesn't have a checklist one like this. I thought she did. You want this up here for my movements. Make sure I move it, because I got to move it. Yes, I know, I'm strange. You love it. Oops, I don't want to put two colors or right next to each other. Ah, wow. And that is what you come here for, the craziness. No, I'm just kidding. So I have a couple of planners in mind for next year. One I've already purchased, and if you follow me on Instagram, you know which one it is. If you don't, you're just gonna have to wait to see the video when I get it. But I'm super excited for it. And then the other one, I'm waiting. It still hasn't been released. It's been delayed. So I'm very sad about that because I really, really want it. Luckily, this one is undated and I have tons in here, so I can really get it going, you know, like wait. So, okay, I'm gonna put a little sloth here. I can't think of his Simon. I put Simon there. I think Frank needs to go in here. I think I'm gonna put him on a Sunday towards the top. I need to go get a sticker that I forgot to grab for new releases, so I will be right back. I just wanted to grab these functional stickers that I have from my shop. And I'm gonna grab this brown because it really does match the kit very well. The green would even go. It's kind of in the shade range, but I'm gonna put that on Thursday for new releases, like that. Okay, and then for Friday, which one do I want? Probably Poe. Poe. And then I'm just gonna put all the stickers down because you know me. I love me a good sticker, and especially a Sweet Kawaii Design sticker. That one, and then Monday, let's put this one down because Mondays require lots of coffee. I don't normally put a box in every one, but she's got these like open boxes, which makes it a little easier. Let's put one for let's just do it. Let's just do it. Let's put Bo there. So cute. Does she have a weekend banner? She does. I don't know what it is. I've just been all of a sudden like, let's do weekend banners, even though I don't really have a weekend. Let's see, what else? How cute would it be to put these little picket fences on the bottom right here of my list? Just overlap it a little bit. How cute is that? It's a little crooked, but it's still super cute. Okay, I'm feeling a little overwhelmed with how much stuff is going on. So I think I might leave Wednesday open. Then again, part of me is going, just do it, Melissa. So I'm gonna do it. I'm caving to the pressure. Put on by myself. Okay. So yeah, that's that. It looks so cute already. It's gonna look even cuter all filled out. So if you want to see how it turns out, go ahead and follow my Instagram, the Butterfly Planner. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.